Uy, tayo natin to guys.
Your team destroyed the turret.
I was born.
Launch attack. Okay. Ally has been slain.
Aray mo. Teka guys, parang may mali. Ano yung mga kalaban dito? Tawa. Sapakan kita dyan.
Try not to.
Ito, baklata ito. Mamaya na, dalawang muna kayo. Patay.
Let me show you the art of killing.
Tara na guys, kaya natin to. Sige, sige. First video pa lang natin sa MPL. Ito. Kaya ko ito ata. Oh. Level ano na ako? 7, siya 10. Ano? Ah.
I was born.
Initiate retreat.
Demons, I'll cleanse this land with your blood.
Lalalala. Tara na guys, kaya natin ito ata.
Let me show you the art of killing.
Kung mamatay pa ako, magbabayad ako sa inyo ng 5 ng wala.
Demons, I'll cleanse this land with your
Tama
blood.
siya sa akin.
You destroy the turret.
Tama ka na.
Flawless tanking.
Everything will come to an end.
Eh. Teka, sabi mo. Oh,
Try not to drag me down.
Launch attack.
Let me show you the art of killing. Go on, darkness!
malag.
Initiate retreat.
I was born.
Request launch attack.
Bagong dating tayo. Tago-tago mo.
Try not to drag me down.
Enemy rampage. Shut down. Unstoppable. Double kill.
Demons, I'll cleanse this land with your blood.
An enemy has been slain. Okay.
Everything will come to an end.
Because